Welcome back to another video. Today we have the special bite of the day. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform by subscribes and likes. So we got some decent deals, some pretty good deals, and a lot of repeated deals. But some of them are really good. So we got the special bite of the day here. I'll see if I can leave you guys the link down below in the description section. All right, so we got this one. This one's a 5-tool combo kit, $289. It does include a ratchet, one-handed reciprocating saw, oscillating tool, impact driver, drill driver, and a light, 2 batteries. That's actually not too bad. Just keep in mind they are not fueled, they're brushed tools. All right, the next one down, we got the 5-tool combo kit. We got the same thing without the ratchet. They do include a bandsaw, so $369 on that one. If you want the bandsaw, that's the time. All right, so they got $218 for this 4-tool combo kit, so basically $50 a piece if you want to put it that way. Pretty good deal because you're getting the one-handed reciprocating saw and the ratchet. I would definitely go for that one if you want, some tools for the house, if you do some mechanic work. All right, so you got the fuel, impact driver, and drill driver, and looks like you're getting a cut tool. So $289 for that. I got impact driver, drill driver with some accessories, so $115. Like I said, it's not too bad for the house, pretty good. Impact driver, these are field tools with the installation driver, $329. You got lithium brushless coarse hammer drill, and with the reciprocating saw, this I believe it's not a fuel reciprocating saw. I believe it's just a regular. $249. You got the same thing with the circular saw. $239. You got the impact driver with the reciprocating saw, $249, and then same thing with the circular saw there. Impact driver, drill driver, field tools, just one big battery, small battery. Charger in a bag, $199. Not the best deal. All right, so you got some Ryobi Tools here, 6-tool combo kit, $169. Yeah, I guess it's a good deal for the homeowner, for the DIY. If you don't have any tools, if you want to give a gift for somebody that's just barely moving into a house, first house, then that's a good deal on that one. You got jigsaw. I do have that jigsaw, works pretty good. Jigsaw and circular saw, $79, so $40 a piece. That's pretty good. Same thing with the router and the sander. You got the new. I believe that's the newer fan, the Whisper Series fan, and the Bluetooth speaker, $99. Right, and then the next one down, you get the fan, the light, the Bluetooth speaker, and the toolbox, $219. So not too bad. All right, you got the flex bolt, 60 bolt max. You got the hammer drill, impact driver. I believe that's the 887. And you got the flex bolt circular saw. You get one flex bolt battery, is regular battery for $29. It's not a killer deal. It's not the best deal, but it's okay. Put it this way. All right, so you got what is this? Circular saw, impact driver, drill driver, and bare bone batteries. So these are just batteries, but that's basically the lowest tier kit that they have, which is brushless though. $199. Same thing with this one with the oscillating tool, $199. So it's not too bad. I mean, it's actually a pretty good deal. For, like I said, if you want to start out, if you already got the batteries, then and if you want those tools, that's not a bad deal. And then you got the drill driver by itself with 2 batteries. Like I said, those are bare bone batteries. They don't even have a fuel gauge on them, and I believe they're 1.5s or 1.3s or something. So $179 for that, and then you get the oscillating tool there. So you got drill driver, impact driver, and one-handed reciprocating saw, $229. Same thing with the reciprocating saw, $199. You got the drill driver by itself with the circular saw. You got the drill driver with the reciprocating saw, $179 on both of those. Impact driver, oscillating tool, $179. So definitely pay the $20 and get yourself a drill. So, that's the best, $20 more. All right, so you got the same thing with the one on the left. Those are all sold out. Those ones. And all right, so Milwaukee's. All right, you got the hammer drill, $249 with 3 batteries. Charge in a bag. What's this one on to the right? What's the difference? Maybe one's a hammer drill, yeah, one's a hammer drill and the other one's not. So definitely pay the $10. I would definitely pay the $10 and get the hammer drill. Guys, I just did a video on this thing. This thing's a torque monster. This thing's a beast. Definitely check out my videos. I did put this against other tools. It's definitely a beast. All right, so you got the brushless hammer drill, $149. Definitely pay a little bit more if you can and buy the fuel hammer drill. If not, then if you're for the house, even if you're a professional and you just don't have enough money, you can start with the brushless. But definitely recommend the fuel. All right, so you got the Rotary Tool, $79. Got a 3S impact wrench, stubby, 3 batteries. Looks like 2 bigger ones and a smaller one, $259. You got the stubby with some sockets, impact sockets, $299. You got the rocket light with some M12 rocket light, oscillating tool, $299. You got the angle grinder, 4.5, $159. That's a 6-inch, 4.5 to 6-inch. You got the cock gun there. We've seen that before. You got the cleaning snake auger tool with the Barity 379. All right, these Ryobis are pretty decent. They're not the best deals, but they're pretty decent. They're pretty good. Like I said, for the house, they all include some extra blades and batteries too, by the way, and chargers. So it's the whole kits on those. Let's see what else. All right, we got some rigid, the oscillating tool with the blade kit, $129. That's a pretty good deal on that. You got the 7.25 slider, $379 with 2 batteries. That's a really good deal. All right, so $79 for the sander and the Barity, so that's a pretty good deal on that. Cutout tool, drywall cutout tool, $79 with the Barity, good deal. Same thing with this cut tool. Oh, this one does not include a battery, but it does include a whole bunch of blades. So multi-material cut tool, and then just the blades. So it's the same price, but just different blades. All right, see, this is where it becomes interesting, and we've seen these before, but these are pretty good deals. All right, so you got the 8.25 jump side table saw, $329 with the stand. But if you want the rolling stand, which is the really nice stand, the heavy duty rolling stand, what they call it, $359. That's a pretty good deal. From $549, you get yourself a free stand. That's a killer deal on that one. All right, you got the double bevel compound miter saw, heavy duty stand, $349. Just keep in mind, guys, these are not sliders. If you're planning on buying a miter saw, make sure it's a slider. I do recommend it's a slider. As a matter of fact, I bought a Craftsman miter saw and it's not a slider. I regret it. I'm probably gonna sell it and buy myself a slider because you get a whole lot more real estate there. You guys could cut. All right, so you got 10-inch compound miter saw, $299 with the stand, regular stand. All right, you got a screwdriver. This one's already sold out. Sold out. Got a Carbide Hole Saw, $139. You got a 1/4-inch, 3/8, half-inch drive, asymmetric mechanics socket sets, $399. This one's pretty good. You got a Shockwave metric 6-point socket set, 29 piece, $139. You got impact duty alloy steel driver bit set pack up case, $49.99. It's not too bad. Oscillator multi-tool kit. This one's pretty good. You get 14 pieces for $49.99. Get a 1,000 bolt insulated screwdriver with the case, $109. You got some multi-bit 9-in-1 multi-drive bit screwdriver, square drive multi-bit screwdriver, $21. You got an underhood light, $189. That is the kit, I believe. It just come with it does come with the battery. Got a job site backpack, $79. You got electrician's work belt, $69. Got pack out tool bag, $51. You got locking pliers, 10-piece, $104. You got steel annular cutter kit with 3/4 welding shank, $239. You got the Hotline D2 steel smooth blade pocket folding up, $52. Here's a fastback 3-in-1, 5-in-1 folding utility knife, 6-in-1 pliers, $29.97. You got a fastback 6-in-1 folding knife with the 3-inch blade, general purpose blades. Guys, if you guys go on the for this the blade replacements and the utility knife here for $19.97, you guys go to the not to the website, to the app, because I'm on the internet right now on the browser. You guys go to the app. That's gonna drop down to like 97 cents, I believe. But once you put it in the cart, it goes back up to $19.97. So just thought I wanted to share that with you guys in case you guys want to call customer service and try to get it, screenshot it, whatever. But you're probably not gonna get it because once you put it in the cart, it goes up again to I would order like 5 already. All right, so you got 1/2 inch drive ratchet, $44.97. You got that's actually not too bad for the 1/2 inch ratchet. You got 4.0 Barity, 4 amp hour Barity starter kit, $79. Not a good deal because you can pay yourself. You can pay you can pay $20 more and get yourself a free tool in the store or online. You got a pack of 2 amp hour batteries, $59. You got a pack of a pack of 6 4 amp hours. Not the best deals. All right, you got the rigid, $149 for 2 batteries. All right, oscillating toolkit rigid, $44.97. You got a 6-piece cut off wheel kit, 6-piece, $19.97. Got a cutoff wheel set, 3-piece, $14.97. These are for the smaller tools there. I believe that's it, guys. Few good deals. Definitely check it out. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this.